uthi ke lo mkhonzi ndibiza uba nguwe so that I can move in this dimension you are moving. Ngoba one of the serious problems kukuba comfortable in one place. Koko kubumuva ngetongues ka-2021 usamuva ngazo namhlanje. You are not desiring to move where he moves, to do what he does. Ngoba bazalwane bama asimelwanga kukwenza izinto esizibona senziwa ngabantu. We have to imitate him. What he does, we have to do it. Senze ngokwenza kwakhe. Ngoba abanye abantu abazokholwa sisingese sisikhuphayo, kodwa bazokholwa ngamandla abawabonayo. Sengagoduka abazokholwa ngamazwi esidlike esiwakhuphayo, kodwa bazokholwa ngamandla. Uthi yes is fine, you don't believe in me, kodwa ndiyacela kholwani emisebenzini, ngoba ivangeli inemisebenzi. The gospel that we are preaching ayihambi yodwa, ihamba nemisebenzi, imisebenzi yamandla. Uyaprofeta uIsaya, kubani okholiweyo ludaba lwethu. Ingalo kaYehova ithile ke kubani na, ngoba suthethi udaba. Ingalo elabashata ingajilwanga, masithethe ingalo ivele, ivele ingalo yakhe, ingalo yakhe, amandla wakhe. Wake up my generation. Power is not English. There is something that beyond English. Power is not nice suits, but power is something beyond. For the message of this kingdom is not in words. Alakapai, Shalapai. It is in demonstration of his power. Retetepa, Parasota, Jakapai, Retetekepai, Bagena Mabandeni, the Kula. We are blindsided the supernatural. Bagena Mabandeni, Bapume Bayanyangeni. We are blindsided the supernatural. Shateka. In our time, Hallelujah. Ikubu Yamanda. Inikiteka. Hallelujah. Ikubu Yamanda. Shatapa. Abapile. Abapile. Abapile abagulayo. Abapile abagulayo. Mayipanga mikhwala. Asihambe. Imfama mazibone. Izithulu. Zilike. Elia. Yazifa. Ingwelo zika Elia. Zifiki ingwelo. Chariots of Elijah. Ria Tompe. Zilia Kapai. Diamba Gobu. Joanne. Uganda. Come up. Eagle. Uganda Sumayek. Uganda. There is another dimension that God is calling his church. He's also the alarm. Ekon. Banda. Let's say Eastern Cape. God is calling his church to the supernatural. To the supernatural. Hey! Amaikholwa bazophila bengabe bangasandla. Jeli yaniva izulu livulekile. Yaniva izulu. Ay. Livulekile. Izulu livulekile. Bayaphila. bayaphila, bayakhululeka, ababoshiweyo. Hey, ayonto abantu abanormal le. Into yaziporho le. Into yaziporho le. We can't be normal with a big God like this. Hey. Ayabantu abanormal lento. Ayabantu abanormal lento. Yabantu abafileyo kuye. Bavuka enkazimulweni. Ngoba one of the things that the church will miss is the coming of the Lord. Kayabuye senkazimulweni. Ibandla lanamhlanje lizosala ngoba they are not used to the glory. They are not used to the supernatural. I am here to announce, I am here to declare that Jesus, the same yesterday, He is the same today, He is the same forever. Sizohlabelela ingoma bangene bekwayiwe baphume, hey, beyambela. We are tapping unto His glory. We are tapping unto the supernatural. I am here to make a call. He's a mama. He's a dada. We are going to He's a sisi. He's a dadwetu. He's a my brother. We are going to
Isa,